Hello everybody, just wanted to make a quick video. There's nothing really changed. Still very bullish for the moment, even with the FOMC meeting coming up later today. So Bitcoin here on the 1 hour time frame, we had this Fibonacci compressions from this high to this low to this high. We did go to the 0.236, which is usually resistance, and then we got completely back to retest the low, got rejected from it, so I got in here. And now I'm looking again for a retest, and then if we can push higher to the 0.618, we would retest this weekly resistance as well at 24.3. And then if the 1-to-1 would be 24.8. So that's what I'm currently looking at for Bitcoin. On the 1 hour time frame, everything green. We would only go short if we close below 21,260. And then new is Ethereum, also on the 1 hour time frame. Let's have a look. So super trend. And here the input is ATR length 16 and factor as well 16. This performs a little bit better compared to Bitcoin on the 1 hour. And if we zoom out, then we can see that more or less it gives signals at the same time. So all in all, this one looks good. Let's see. So from the beginning of, when is it? Date range. So from the 6th of November 2020, this would give a performance of 2,100%. So 54% profitability, percent profitable. So that means 54% close out in profit. So average profit per trade is 21.9. So this looks very good. And then we can see that also my indicator, the Fibonacci compression indicator, tells us that we are currently forming compression on Ethereum. So the high, the low, lower high, higher low. And let's see if we get a third impulse where we go to the 0.618 of the lower high to the higher low and then fall back. Or we go straight from here to the targets. So we always assume continuation. We're in a clear uptrend. So this is consolidation. And the assumption is that we just continue up. So take profit 1 would be 1703, take profit 2 1769, and take profit 3 1834. So let's see if we get some good risk to reward. If we take this one as a stop loss. So first take profit would put risk to reward 2.88, but normally you would aim for take profit 2. Which is around 4.3. So this one looks good. Then, yeah, the others, Bitcoin. 2 days ago, we did go below the trigger line, but then luckily towards the end of the day, we closed above. So no closure here, still in the long position. So if we close below 22,484, then we would short again. Ethereum also still nicely above the trigger line, which is at 1,421. So 1,421, 1,455. So it's more or less in line with the 1 hour. Solana also here still in a very good profit, trigger line at 19.54. XLM also still long, trigger line at 0.08 265. Yeah, then we have DOGE. This one here I mentioned, I've stopped it. So since this one almost completely ruined the account. So this one is discontinued and will be replaced by this BNB, which is a momentum strategy. So basically, let's see. So this one is trading on length 14, and I've created this visualizer because by default it doesn't tell you much. But basically, when a candle closes and there is this white triangle, then it means a limit buy order will be placed at the high. And if on the next candle we break this high, it will pick up the buy order, and then we continue from there. And then this one is the most profitable by just 2 orders at the same time. So here, white triangle, we go above the high, so it would trigger the buy. And then this candle also has a white triangle, so it would buy again when we go above this high on the next candle, which happens. So here it would have bought twice, and then it will wait for further signals to the downside. So when it colors red, then exactly the same. Triangle on this one. You don't close out yet, because on the next candle, we don't go below the low. So it gets cancelled. This short order gets cancelled. And then we wait again for the next signal. So this candle, the low, there would be a short order. Next candle doesn't get taken out, so nothing happens. No triangle, no triangle. The next time we have a triangle is over here. Do we close below? No. Gets cancelled on the next one. White triangle, and here we finally close. And as you can see here on the red arrow, this is where the short gets entered. And I don't know why this one tells me that I would put a short order here, because it's not. Oh yeah, this one has a white triangle, sorry. So here would be an order on this low. So here it would be taken, and then here the second time. So, and then the classic ones, gold. Yesterday was also below the trigger line for quite a while, and then it could finally close above. But still, if we close a little bit lower than today's candle, then we would also get out, which would be good, because then this one is making a very nice profit, so then we can cash in on this one. Then silver, nothing. Stop loss is quite far away. Next buy order is at 24.75. The S&P 500. Let's see, I believe it was with ATR. No. Here we need to close above 4,289. Euro, dollar, still in an uptrend. Crude oil, we're still in this channel. We got one buy signal, and then we more or less turned around, but still no close. We're still in this uptrend. And then we have copper, one signal to three buy signals. We're a bit below the last buy signal, but the others are still nicely in profit. All right, that's it. Yeah, for the FOMC meeting, I don't know what to expect. It's just strange times that it all depends on the Fed. Well, actually, in reality, they don't give much added value to the economy. So Well, I guess fundamentals don't really matter anymore. So, yeah, we will see. So I think all in all, everything looks still positive. So I think it's just continuation of the positivity until there will be a black swan event. Because we still have this inverted yield curve, so something will break soon. And we just have to wait for it and just be very careful. All right, see you in the next one. Bye-bye.